In this video, I will show you how to change your password in Salesforce. To do this, what you want to go and do is just open up Salesforce and in the top right, click on your profile. And by the way, this is for if you are currently logged in and you know what your current password is. If you don't, then I'll show you something else you can do in a minute. But for now, just go to your profile and then click Settings. And then here under My Personal Information, you have this section that says Change My Password. Go and click on that. Then here enter your current password, new password, and confirm your new password. And then just select a security question and enter the answer and then click save. Now if you don't know what your current password is, just go to Salesforce and click login. And then from the login page, click on forgot your password. Then here enter your username. So for this you can just enter your account email. And then they will have sent an email to your email address, and in that email you can then go and change your password. So that's how to change your password in Salesforce. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.